Alright everyone, today we're going to go through Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you why this move to the downside is no surprise. It was predicted in the last video. If you watched it, I hope you hopped in it short. We called this flat off the top in Elliott Wave terms and another hit to the upside and then dump. And we got this flat. It did leak down for our finished 5 waves here, and then we got this hit to the upside. Just as predicted. So we wrote this up in the Discord, we wrote this down in the Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you what the overall count is looking like for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you a account that will come up and take the highs out one more time that I need you guys to watch out for. So please watch this video the whole way through. I'm going to make it short like I always do. If you're not in the Discord group, guys, linked in the description below. It's free. Join it. If you're in the premium, and I actually posted this in the free alerts as well. This was our finished WXY to the top, right in the corrective pocket, right where it topped out at. I told everyone to hop in short, and we all did. So we're on juicy profit right now, and looking to take this a little lower here, hopefully. If you're a leverage trader, guys, MEXC is the exchange that I use personally. I have it linked in the description below if you want to check it out. I got you a link with 10% off the lowest fees already. So you get 10% off those and $1,000 deposit bonus. It's no KYC. You do need a VPN to sign up, but after that, you are good to go. They got an awesome app available on all app stores. Check it out, linked in the description below. Use that link to register. I appreciate it, guys. Let's get into the charts here. Okay, I'm going to erase this. We'll start clean. Now, what I was looking at in my previous video was a correction down, a correction up, and 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the form of a flat, which we got. Elliott Wave terms, this is a flat. This is a corrective pattern. And we were ultimately looking to finish up, as I zoom out, some type of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, where you had a W, X, Y to finish out the ending diagonal here. Okay, we got that, and this right here, this move, most likely finished up the entire leg up. It's crazy that we took out liquidity right here and just dumped. We broke this, took out everyone's stops, and just absolutely dumped. It really is too predictable sometimes, guys. It genuinely is. I guess retail just never learns. I hope you didn't get caught in that. Okay, so assuming this is a finished ending diagonal, and we have finished this complete leg here to the upside, we're looking to correct this leg. At least I am. Now, do note that this could be done, and we could just be coming down from here. It's just not how I'm playing it. We're also going to look at Ethereum, guys, and things are going to make a lot more sense when we look at Ethereum as well. So stick around for that and watch the whole video all the way through. Let's get rid of these drawings. As you know, now you know where we stand from a long-term perspective. We can come in and see how this wave is looking to play out. So if we need to correct the entire leg, we're going to be looking for some form of an ABC, and I would prefer something that comes down pretty far, because if we are to get another leg to the upside, as you can see, if we reject here, it will look double toppy. It will create a huge, massive liquidity pocket here for everyone. Everyone's going to think we topped, and we might want, if we start coming this low, and especially if we start breaking this trend line here, if we come down fully and like that, break that trend line, everyone will think that this is it. We're going to come down, break the lows again down here. All it has to do is break that trend line. I do not want these lows here to be broken. I want that to hold. If that gets broken, I mean, this whole count is invalidated for me, and we might be coming down to lower targets. So I need a corrective pattern that comes down quite deep, and I will take a fib and pull it like this. And as you can see, it gives us the 1-to-1 extension perfectly right there. This is the move that I am predicting, and I have been predicting. If you go into the Discord, the free Discord has my long-term projection for Bitcoin. This has been up since December 3rd. There have been different variations, but all quite literally showing the same general structure, different forms, where we would come up and take that high out, but do not break the all-time high. This A wave just happened to extend a little farther, which is fine. It can definitely do that. It can extend as high as it wants. Just cannot break this all-time high. And I'm looking for a correction here, and we're going to come up and tap it one more time. This is how I'm playing it, guys. This is what I think max pain would be for the markets. Right now, I want to see a very, very impulsive wave that comes down and takes out at least this bunch of liquidity. Doesn't have to come extremely deep here. It can if it wants, and we could do some type of ABC like that. Maybe bounce off of this trend line, make it look bouncy, and then come down again. But this is the most aesthetically pleasing to me, and I'm a big looks guy. It's got to look right for me. So zooming in, what would this look like? I want to see just a massive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I want to see, an impulsive leg. If I get that, I will be pretty convinced that this is what we're going to get. I will be looking to take extreme profit if this gets broken, because I will be able to get back in on a correction up. I'll be able to get back in and take the short down. Also, there is still a chance and a count that is very live to come and tap the high one more time. And in this specific count, we have an A, B, looking for a C. As you can see, all this is corrective here. This looks corrective here. We broke the high. This could impulse down for a flat correction. If you want to pull the fibs, you definitely can. And you can see the pocket would be, this would be the 2 to 1 ratio, which is fine. It can overextend that far. You don't like to see that. Probably you're going to be in the 1272 to the 1618 pocket if this is a flat. So it will bounce off of this liquidity here. Everyone will think, oh, we got support. We got support. We're going up to the moon now. All-time highs. It will take this liquidity out one more time. This will be your finishing fifth wave. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And then you get the same move. ABC. Same move. It is not my primary account, but I need you guys to be aware that there's no guarantees, and this is not guaranteed to dump. As traders, you got to be ready and aware. There's always going to be a bullish option. This could go. There's counts that say this could go to the all-time highs. So, as a trader, if you think you're 100% right, I can guarantee you're 100% wrong. If you are so overly confident in the trade that you're putting in, I guarantee you you're wrong. We're going to look at Ethereum. I'm going to show you the flat on Ethereum. It looks quite nice to me here. This was a flat, some type of a variation WXY flat. It was weird. Ethereum doesn't trade perfect. Never has, never will. Here, I have another ABC. Zoom in on this. Like right there, that could be a finished flat right now on Ethereum, and we could start to impulse to the upside. But this does look corrective right there. So what you would be expecting if this is a flat is you got to call this a correction, which is fine. It was an extended correction, an extended ABC. Right there, an extended ABC. And ultimately, you would pull your fibs. And guys, I do want to note, in the last video, I showed you the Ethereum chart. I told you Ethereum had potential to absolutely hit to the upside up to 2,700. And that's exactly what it did. I showed you the ETH BTC chart had great potential to hit up here, and that's exactly what it did. If you want to look at the ETH BTC chart, we can go over and check that out. But those calls were spot on. Not all my calls are going to be spot on like that, but those sure as shit were. Right there. When I made that call, this ETH BTC chart was down here. Right here. We were right here. Exactly as planned. And honestly, guys, full transparency, this daily, we have divergence. It looks extremely bullish. Extremely bullish for an absolute hit to the upside. I just personally am looking at this as a flat, and this is going to start working its way down. Let's go back to Ethereum. We're not done. Guys, this is important stuff. Stick with me. Stick with me. If this is a flat, you would expect an impulse to the downside into this volume pocket. One more hit to the upside would do it, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would look good as a finished wave. Ethereum, same structure, guys, same structure. We are looking for, if this is done, an ABC down. If it needs one more high, you can do that. In which case, this will get impulsive, and then that's it. Looking at Ethereum's full structure. This looks like a W. X, I'm looking for a Y up in the form of an A, B, C. I think Ethereum has potential to get extremely bullish, way more percentage gain than Bitcoin once we have this correction. From a percentage, 100% on Ethereum is what it looks like to me. And if we look at Bitcoin, if we get this correction, Bitcoin, I am looking at coming down right about here. Come on, tap highs, 80%. So I'm seeing about 30% more gains on Ethereum. If we get this nice correction, I would be loading up on Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. Guys, if you made it this far, leave a comment down below. What asset, what coin, what crypto, anything you want me to chart in the next video. If I like your comment the most, I will chart it in the next video. I appreciate you sticking all the way through. Join the Discord, linked in the description below. Use MEXC to trade. I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.